Good and happy morning, Teambo. Oh, baby. We're coming up on Christmas. We're coming up on Christmas with Santa and with Jay Santa. How's everybody's morning going? What's up, G-Man? What's up, Stacy? Marsola? Top of the AM, baby. Top of the morning. Top of the AM. Marcola. I like that. Marcola, Marsola, Motorola. What up, Motorola? What up, Motorola? That's the new name. From here on out, it's Motorola. Bro got the Motorola going. It's about that time for us to make a bag. I'm ready. I'm happy to be back at home base. Don't be. Let's go, baby. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. We got Eddie in the house, Jalapeno, Motorola. Don't bleed. I had a crazy good weekend skiing. Crazy good weekend skiing. Good morning, everybody. Crazy good weekend skiing. Good morning, everybody. Well, don't bleed. When are you going next? I'm not sure. What up, CJG? Yeah, I'll get to my messages a little later. I literally have like a million. Yes. Hope you're doing well, bro. I miss seeing you in Team Bull. I'm feeling good about this week, baby. Feeling real good about this week. Don't bleed. Don't bleed. Oh, Grizzly, I can't hear you. I can see you're unmuted. Hold on. I cannot hear you speaking. 1 second. All right, try again. What's up, bro? How's it going? Whenever I disconnect from my home setup to my mobile setup, it makes me reset my speakers. But I'm happy to be back, man. Oh, it was great, bro. I love going out and skiing. I'm getting in like 45 days skiing this year. That's my goal. Don't play. And I got a helmet. I did get a helmet. I didn't want to get a helmet, but y'all all forced me. Besides that last run that I did in my tank top. No helmets were involved in that. No helmets were involved in the making of that run. The No, it's honestly, it's like driving. I'm not worried about myself. I'm worried about the other people that fly down. I'm worried about the genes. Pete saying all the way down, fighting for his life on the blues. Percent off. Don't. Standards. Use. Let's see. I'm finishing typing this out. Don't. All right, guys. On the TikTok, I'm gonna have to restart this if it doesn't lift this restriction for the charts. It's on some BS again. I am live on YouTube though, so make sure y'all tap into the YouTube. It's Jdun Trades on YouTube. We're growing and we're growing quick with the DOD system. But it's like, oh. I don't know why it does that. That's so weird. Apex 90% off ends tomorrow. Yup. You guys can use code JDUN. It's a hell of a deal. It's a hell of a deal. How's everyone's weekend, Team Bull? You guys do something positive for yourselves? This isn't easy. All right, TikTok, I'm going to restart this live. Make sure y'all tap it into that follow button. I'll be back on in 2 minutes for TikTok. So annoying. Does that. Luckily, we got YouTube going strong, baby. Where's my DOD team? Where's Team DOD at? Where's my team DOD at, everybody? Remodeling the kitchen. That's cool. Don't. I want this. There we go. All right. Let's get it, y'all. Hey, you like that, Big Zo? Go, Pack, go. More like no, Pack, no. You're looking at the 2026 Super Bowl champions, baby. Go, Bronc, go. We're taking your slogan. Yeehaw, baby. We are quite possibly the worst 11-2 team in history. But we figure it out. We get the dubs. We figure it out every day. The Rams do look good. I will give you that. Your Rams do look good. Unfortunately, in a head-to-head match, a Bronco is going to beat a Ram 10 out of 10 times, baby. Come on now. The Patriots gave up a massive lead, too. Massive. Yeah, that was live trading with Paydun Trades. That's my new name is Paydun. Until further notice, I will be going by Paydun and Paydun only. Getting my team paid. What do we have for data this week? That's weird. Make sure to submit a support ticket, J Hall. We did have one of our traders that finished top 40 in the Tradeify Cup, which is pretty dope. I thought that was pretty sweet. I thought that was very, very sweet. Here we are now. No friends in coma. The trading view is not updated in Q yet. It hasn't rolled the contracts yet. My TOS did. My TOS updated, but my trading view is not. Oh, baby, I am excited for this trading week. I feel so recharged after going to ski. Spend some time in the mountains. I hung out with Grandma, hung out with Jean, the fam. Yeah, trading view hasn't rolled yet. They will. All right. You guys still got Christmas shopping to do? I definitely don't. Definitely didn't wait till the last minute. Me? Wait until the last minute? No way. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. I would never wait till the last minute to get all that done, or the last like 5 years. I have a lot to get done today. Busy week. I'm excited for it, though. I'm excited for it. We're catching a banger like we did in the mountains on Friday. What a comeback Friday. I was so frustrated after that first trade. I was low-key so salty. I mean, it's part of the game. I followed my plan, but damn, for a 2-point wick and then a massive move in my direction, man, that was crazy. I couldn't believe it.
I'm gonna watch this Asia high area for a bounce off the open, everyone. That 25284 if we pull back.
Watching Asia high for a bounce.
Around the 25284 area.
Here for it.
Cold here in Tennessee this morning, man. It's like 10 degrees.
Damn.
Are you all rolling your contracts yet? I haven't.
Trading View hasn't.
Typically do it when trading view rolls.
My TOS did, though.
The volume's higher on the new ones.
Don't. I need to get a banana so I can drink my coffee. All right, I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Okay. Banana Man's back. Mr. Banana's back. I freaking love bananas. And blueberries. I've stopped eating coffee, drinking coffee on an empty stomach before eating something. It raises your cortisol. And trading raises your cortisol enough already. Like I got enough cortisol being a day trader to supply the whole community. Supply the whole neighborhood. No more.
I'm a goner, then I guess. I've been doing it for so long.
Bro's body's...
I'm back.
What's up, Greg?
Morning.
Bro's body's just adapted. Bro's immune to cortisol.
There's no hope for me at this point.
That Folgers builds a man different. Truly built different. All right, guys, we got 8 minutes till open, y'all. 8 minutes, Team Bull. Let's trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Yeah. All right, guys. My TOS rolled, I believe. I believe my TOS rolled. Cortisol is terrified of DOD.
Alright guys, 376, daily level, as I mentioned before, just wanna wait for the plan. Already discussed.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's make us some money today. Christmas is coming up. I know all y'all want some extra change in your pockets. Okay, living my life. Got me, yes. All right, y'all. We got 6 minutes left. And I got a good feeling about this week. Got a great feeling. Once we live every day. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Good, everybody. You guys ready to witness greatness? You guys ready to choose DOD going into the end of the year? Jdun, I feel a mega trade. Will not call me Jdun. Yeah, you don't get my face on Zoom. There's no need for that. You already get no delay. You get trades like 6 seconds faster than anyone else on any free stream. Live my life. Live my life. Live my life. Living my life. There's a screen share that's not up though right now for some reason. There we go. All right, guys. Screen share is active on Zoom. You guys can see my screen. They can't say the same. Yeah.
I'm gonna be picking short most likely, and we break 346.
Oh, we're talking shorts. Okay, I see you. You're speaking my language. You're speaking my linguo. Linguo. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you are trading with prop firms, right now the two best deals are with Apex and Tradeify. Apex is 90% off using code Jdun, code JDUN. Your all-in cost for a 50K account with activation fee is only $84 after passing. And Tradeify still has 35% off their select accounts. You can get daily payouts with those. Daily payouts, my friends. Daily payouts. So appreciate y'all supporting using code JDUN, locking in your accounts. Let's get to the money. Let's get to the money together. Let's see what. Oh shit! I gotta take this off too. Don't. Good morning, Kyle. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the DOD live stream. What's up, Ecuador? Fernando? Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. It's almost game time. It's almost game time. Let's see. We got some individual names. Per usual on watch too. We got Tesla with some very aggressive strength pre-market up at 470. Big time supply up here. If we can break through that supply, we're almost at all-time highs again. We have some big time supply at like 470 to 475 on Tesla. We break that, then I could see all-time highs this week as long as the market doesn't die. Could potentially watch for a bounce at like maybe like 462, yes, or a previous day low or previous day high, excuse me. Nvidia having some nice strength off during the pre-market too. I know you're terrified.
Good luck, everyone.
Yep. We got 45 seconds.
Yeah. All right, nice. Fed speaker right after open. Then at 10 we have home builder confident. And 10:30 we have another Fed speaker.
That's your
Fed speakers and home builder confident.
That's your favorite.
And I hated them.
Yeah, you love them.
That's the law. You speak when market's over.
Love those Fed speakers. Let's get it, y'all. All right, guys, this is your daily and weekly start reminder to trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. Choose discipline over dopamine in everything that you do. Don't allow your emotions to take. Don't allow your emotions to take control of your trading, and let's get it. You have greatness within you. You have a systematic approach within you. You just have to apply it. The best way to do that is using DOD. I do. Yep. Vanquish is cool. If you want to trade options with Vanquish, I need to put their link back in. If you are an options trader, you can for sure get fun with Vanquish. They've never denied a payout still. Good firm. Hey, congrats on opening a brokerage account. Take it slow. Stay patient with the process. That's my best advice.
We're playing with this daily level 376.
Bro said Greg's probably in longs already. That is crazy. You can copy my trades. If you did it Friday, you would have made a bag. I never recommend just copy trading blindly for anybody, but my ultimate goal here is I give you all my trades in real time, very transparently. But I want you to know that the ultimate goal of you being here is for you to become a confident trader yourself. This Tesla is going bananas off the open. Absolutely ballistic. Yep. Let's have ourselves an amazing week. It's game time. It is game time, my friends. Also, Tesla's almost at 480. That's crazy. Things I never done. I was grinding on the ski mountain this weekend. Grinding. Like going abnormally hard. And they need to get more snow though. So I can open up some of my blacks and my back bowls. I do have an Alpha Futures code. You can use code Jdun with Alpha Futures. I appreciate you guys supporting. Best possible discount and a direct application of DOD. Joshing, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for being on the streams. Hopefully I can help you find a winning trade and make some progress on your account today. That's my goal. If you guys are new here, I appreciate you hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live each and every morning. And if you're on YouTube, hitting that bell and turning those notifications on. This Friday was crazy. We need Friday to replay itself, except for without the first loss.
Correction with strength. Taking the shots. It was quick.
Greg in the shorts up there, it was quick. There's no time for anybody to take that, so I wouldn't recommend chasing. Way too fast.
340. Now we need to play this daily level. Okay, stop up. Run stop up. That was a quick card. Let's see if we hold it to retake the shorts. Was fast. Quick trade, guys. Quick trade. It's okay.
You blow my mind.
Is anyone in a trade?
No.
I was.
Watching 25284 area. 25284. 25291. For possible entry.
For some longs. I'm here for it. Perfect timing. Want to know why? Because Mr. Genius walked in with the coffee. Thank you, sir. I got the coffee secured. That means that pay done has arrived.
Any way we can get him to start delivering me some?
If it gets you off the Folgers, I'll find a way.
I appreciate
We get you off the old man coffee.
I got some news, Jdun.
What?
My home gym is about to start being built.
Really?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Grizzly, which number are you looking for?
We still gotta wait it down.
We got the coffee. You guys know what that means, right?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
You guys know what that means, right? It means pay Dunn's in the house. That's what it means.
To my level.
Now that the coffee's arrived, it means pay Dunn is in the house. Greg's in the shorts. Greg's in the shorts, everybody. No trades for me. I would recommend waiting if it were me. That's how I trade, though. If you're on the stream for me, trade how I trade. I wait the first 15 minutes. What's the bounce area you're watching, Grizzly?
The Asia high, 25,284.
Stop already.
Oh, thank you for doing that, Gene. Just stay patient and wait. For my contracts haven't rolled. That was my confusion, Grizzlies. I was like, what are you talking about 291? It's because my contracts rolled on TOS, but they haven't rolled on TradingView yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna,
So I was looking at two different numbers. I was like, this is confusing me. Why is there two different numbers on here? You know, as a reminder, TikTok, I see a lot of new faces here. I'm live on YouTube as well. If you'd like full screen share, we're building our YouTube to be the biggest and largest day trading live stream in the world. Go look up Jdun Trades and tap in with me there too. You get full screen share, all my levels and more.
Oh man, stop me on a little bit. Okay, looking to re-enter. Standing by. Shorts. Entry 3 to 4.
Greg with another shorts trade. I didn't miss shit. I don't trade the first 15 minutes.
Training some here, guys. Stop loss at 3 to 4 now. These guys are quick today. These guys are quick today, guys.
Dunno. It's only been 9 minutes, y'all. I've not taken any trades.
Training one more there. Stop loss slightly in profit now. Come down, baby. Okay, run stop on profit. Jesus. Like a Wild West.
My trade evade, huh? My Z6 isn't loading.
I'm tried longs, everyone. I got in a little bit earlier. I got filled at like 307. Right here. This is my average on longs. MNQ. If you trade with me, 3 to 5 MNQ is all you need. Do not over position. You're not going to get rich off one trade. Just do that. Not oversized.
Dun, Grizzly in the lawns.
Bounced perfectly off that Asia high. I missed the initial touch down there.
Yeah, a 284.
Yeah, 284.
Still no trades for me, guys. Still no trade. I don't trade the first 15 minutes. You guys, we got some people rattling off trades in Team Bull, and that's how they trade, and that's fine. Not gonna dog that, but I don't trade the first 15 minutes.
How about for us? Come on. There we go. Trim. Take a trim. Move your stop to an entry. Move stop to an entry.
Hopefully you can.
Following? Hear me?
Well, I can hear you. Hopefully you can retest that like 350 area, the 50% retracement.
Take a pre-market high. Do what I want here. This is my only bounce area. I liked one a little higher up, but it invalidated right off the open. I was like, okay.
Grizzly trimmed his longs too if you're listening or trading with Grizzly. I have not taken any trades.
Your stop have to be at your entry.
I don't like Mondays either. They're my least profitable trading day. They have been. They're not going to be in 2026 though. It's not today.
I was busy talking. We had a much better entry on that. Everyone, it's my bad. I'm out. Trade's over. Trade's over.
Options are cool.
Sushi money.
I'm announcing something dope today, guys. I was telling y'all about.
Just wants me out of the trade.
Hand over. Oh.
307 to like 335. Solid scalp.
To throw. And keep it going and keep it going. Come on.
Everybody make some sushi money on that with me?
All right, y'all. Monday is going to be my most profitable day from here on out. Monday will be my most profitable day from here on out. You heard? We're putting it into the universe. We love Mondays. Of course, the last time I said that, I took a red day on a Monday. So we'll see if this time it works. I tried that 2 Mondays ago and it didn't work very well. Jeez, am I get up, man? Gene, how your legs feeling? Yeah. All that pizzaing. Gene's the pizza master. He did get he came a long ways though from day one to where okay we're 15 minutes in, guys. I'm gonna mark out 15-minute high and low, and now interesting. Our 15-minute high and low are like the exact same as 15-minute high is right on par with pre-market high. So now let's wait and see. That trade Friday was crazy. Well, at first, that damn trade Stop me if y'all weren't on streaming Team Bull. Where was it? Oh yeah, it literally stopped me right here for 2 points. It stopped me right here. This little tiny baby wick right here, little tiny baby wick stopped me, and it died. But then on the retest back up, where was that? Oh, right here. On that,
I was about to take a shot there.
I caught this nice short right here, and it just
No, it was about.
died. So that was nice. That was a nice recovery. Stayed patient even though I was very frustrated. Chose DOD. Chose discipline over dopamine, and then got paid for it. Chose DOD and got rewarded for it. That's going to be the theme of 2026 for everybody here. So when you choose DOD, when you choose your system, when you stay focused, good things happen. YouTube, we got almost 1,000 people in here and 100 likes. What's up with that? If you guys are choosing DOD in 2026, if you're ready for your first profitable year or your first year of scaling your profitability, hit that thumbs up button, baby. Let's see. See how many future millionaires we got here. Or current millionaires ready to scale. Let's get that to 200, baby. I know we got 200 killers in here. Boomers.
Taking the short, guys.
Greg and another short.
Entry 287.
No trades for me, guys.
Stop loss at 307.
Greg and another short. Greg's in the shorts.
Or close to 220. It means something.
It's just a feign. All this money wasn't in the plan.
It's going fast, guys. Going down. Don't do it. Going down. Okay, price to pop. So today is the day of the scalps. Scalping day.
Don't. Well, let's see what is. Tesla's still so strong. Massive relative strength. Massive relative strength. I would have liked some recovery sleep to buy side to fall more. I'm being ultra patient today. This market will not get money out of me. I will not become liquidity unless it's an A+ setup. Everything I teach you with futures will work for options. You guys forget. I traded options for a long time. I still will on occasion. A lot of you probably started following me from options trading. All my biggest days are from options too. I've really contemplated going back in 2026. It's been on my mind a lot. Would you guys support it? Would you guys love me if I started giving you options bangers, calls and puts again? Would you guys still love me with options bangers? Do you want me to come back to the dark side? That's right. I had my biggest year trading doing options, 842,000 with the live login. Honestly, you can do both though. Like long, if I go long on NQ, you can do calls on QQQ, right? Long on ES, you can go, SPY calls. Obviously, there's some different metrics. So you have to know how the Greeks work, but the concept's the same.
For entry here, but I'm gonna follow my plan. I'm not interested in another long entry unless we break low, pre-market low.
I was kind of looking for longs too, but it's just.
Anytime I get this close to pre-market low and I try a long, typically it likes to test it before it moves in my favor.
Yeah, I wish we'd swept. I mean, the 15-minute low sweep and that candle up looks decent with volume, but it's like if you were going to try longs, you just have to have a stop below like 258. Actually, it doesn't look horrible, but I'm not going to try it. That's why I didn't try it. I'm going to let this 5-minute close first. Because that would have swept me out below that 258. Would have hit my hard stop had I tried it. Wait to see if we sweep this pre-market low, and then we'll make a decision on what we do. As a reminder, TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here. If you're new and you're looking to learn how to trade and make money trading in 2026, it's very important that you hit that follow button in the top left corner. Very important that you hit that follow button in the top left corner. For YouTube, same deal. Live on YouTube every day. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and press where that bell icon is and press all so you don't miss any live streams. Get those notifications turned on. Why didn't I try the longs there? Because I didn't like what I was seeing on the 1 in the 5-minute. Needed a little more confirmation, and well, it worked out. You guys got to remember, I'm very particular with the trades that I take, and that gets boring for a lot of y'all, right? I understand that my trading strategy is boring, but for those of you that come to the stream every day and you stay patient and you actually follow the DOD system, how does it work out for you? Tell me in chat. If you truly follow the DOD system and stay patient and can learn to control your emotions, how does it work for you? You get paid. Boring makes money. I understand that it's not the most, like, there's other streams that are probably more exciting for sure, that are ripping trades and taking 5-10 trades a day. Like, I get it. It's fun, but my goal isn't to make you have fun. My goal is to make you money so you can have fun in your spare time, so you can have fun with your family, so you can have fun buying shit that you want to buy. So you choose fun later on versus boring with Jdun, or you choose fun with other streamer, but then boring and stressed and paycheck to paycheck later with other streamers. So I like to have fun in my spare time. I mean, we still have fun. We smile and hang out in these streams. It's a good time, but as far as trading wise, it can get a little boring. Waiting. What we do on the stream is primarily just waiting. We're very good waiters. Don't. Still waiting, Team Bull. Staying patient. Hey, Grizzly, how about my Broncos? How about the 2026 Super Bowl champions? Everyone was talking all that tea about Broncos ain't this, Broncos ain't that, bro. We're 11-2. We are dominant. 12-2. The most dominant team in the NFL. Compare us to the NBA, we're talking 96 bowls.
I can't really.
96 bowls here with the Broncos, baby. You're gonna jinx them like you did Nebraska. No, someone said that. I'm talking all that tea, only for us to probably gonna be talking all this tea, and then we're gonna get upset in the first round, like my Nebraska volleyball team beating the Elite Eight yesterday.
I haven't watched much NBA since Shaq retired, to be honest.
No,
Yeah, I followed him quite a bit, but since he went out, I haven't watched much.
but Nuggets are nice. The Nuggets play at home tonight too.
Patricio
You went
approaching.
to it?
No, I'm not gonna go. I'm locked in for the rest of the week. All right, touching pre-market low, everybody. Might see some rebound here. We'll see. I don't love what we've seen in volume on this previous candle.
Yeah, that's my thoughts. I was wanting it to be higher than at least the previous two. We can pre-market low now. Let's see what happens.
I think they're gonna go down a little bit more.
If we get the solid break and retest, I'll try. I'll try the shorts. If we see confirmation up at the 15-minute low, we'd have to, if we tried at 280s, we'd have to have stops above 310.
I love how that 15-minute low lines up perfectly with Asia high. Then you have VWAP up there, and you have point of control at 317.
You know what's holding up very nicely is Tesla. Tesla's
Let's see if I take the shots or not.
in a technicolor beast. Whew. I'm going to stick around today for another hour. I'll be here till like 11:15 Eastern time. Hour 15. Team Bull.
It's free. I'm gonna stay live until my daughter wakes up.
She sleep in?
Yeah, she stayed up later than she was supposed to last night.
You know what's kind of dope is the Nuggets and the Broncos both play on Christmas this year. Bro, I went ham on Amazon Christmas shopping last night. Ham. My thumb was hurting. I was going so hard. Me doing the last second Christmas shopping couldn't be me. Definitely not something I've done every year the past like a lot of years.
Taking the shots. Taking the shot, guys. Entry 227. Stop loss at 47. Streaming, guys, streaming.
Nice job.
Keep going, baby. Keep going. Sniper entry. Stop loss in profit. Streaming one more there. Have to be quick, guys. The market is wild today. Let's see if we can touch 188. A little kiss to 188.
All right, let's see.
Okay, one more there.
Still no pullbacks. Nice job, Greg.
Thank you.
Greg had a nice short there. No pullbacks deep enough for me. You guys, if you're new here, you must remember I'm a retest trader. So
204, right?
I personally don't trade breakouts often. I wait for lower highs and higher lows, and I define my risk that way. So I get less trades, but my win rate stays higher because of it.
So one trade.
I prefer having a higher risk reward or a higher R multiple and a higher win rate versus more trades. I've noticed that statistically, I keep more money that way.
No one, only me. Nice. And all for today, guys. 3 green trades, 1 red. Good enough.
Uh-oh, Young Dolph just came on. Now we're definitely catching a winner. Pay done with the coffee and Young Dolph on. Beware. They say I'm showing now. They said I should be ashamed. We don't do it for the clout. We do it for the game. Talking NBA while we nosediving. I don't want any part of the nosedive.
Today, guys.
When we get the retest, I'll be a part of it. A lot of people in these lives think you have to catch every move. And that's why people blow up after 6 months, a year, year and a half. You know, I've been doing this 9, almost 10 years. We've had no significant pullbacks after the first 15 minutes. Like no pullbacks whatsoever to any lower highs. So I just stay patient. I'm a day trader, not a trade everyday trader. I trade a very simple system each and every day. Oh, we're off the screen. Didn't realize that. Not me no more. It's PRE on my chest. That's a multi-million-dollar logo. Yeah, yeah. It's really helping we got some sort of pullback. We got some sort of pullback into here. Some when them gears change. We're still moving. Still moving down. See if we can get some sort of pullback back up. I bet they know my name. Hall of Fame. Don't.
We hit my next demand here. I don't know if, I need this candle to confirm for us to take it, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't get too much out of hand. If it gets too much risk on this candle.
Hopefully it doesn't get too out of hand.
Yeah. That's how it's been here lately, man. The candles that confirmed have been like 70-point candles or something crazy.
Yep. Demand is demanding. Retesting this previous support and resistance. We'll see how we react up here. What she broke, what she wanna. Being extra patient on a Monday. So never understand people. You notice how you'll never hear me be like, oh, like Friday I made $4,000, $4,300 live account, not funded, and you didn't hear me say, oh, easy. Like it's you can always say, oh, that was easy. This is easy, but the same people that say that are also the same people who typically give back their money over time. So you'll never tell someone their setup's wrong. Like, if as long as your risk is managed, any setup can be valid. As long as you have a systematic setup that has a high probability to win, I don't care how you trade or what your system or strategy is. I care that your risk is managed. So here through 236. We are rejecting pre-market low. No short for me yet. Oh. Tesla's having a bit of a pullback. Got to move down like 473. Let's see what the 50% retracement for the day is. That would be closer to our 15-minute low, 287. I'll still watch for this pullback up for shorts. For a lower high intraday. This could be the area we reject here at this 230, this pre-market low, but I'm not going to personally test it quite yet. It could be the area. I'm not saying it won't be. So if you wanted to put risk on here for shorts, you'd have to keep your stops above 235. Above this high right here.
Are people having trade-away issues?
I'm not, but
I'm not either.
mine looks fine. Love's a mama, love shorting, and the SPY options too. He's a good trader, crazy about catching pips, loves green days, and puts even more. I'm making a remix. Let's see how we close this candle. If we close this week, I would have rather seen higher volume, but that could confirm a short with stops above 235. Trade of 8 not working correctly. What's not working with it? I've honestly never caught a pip in my life. I've never traded Forex, ever. The first trading course I ever bought was actually on Forex. Fun fact. I've never caught a pip, though. I don't even know what the hell a pip is. It's high low is 169. The high here is 235. I was going to say we can look for a test to like 210, maybe for shorts. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. You just have to have stops above 235. I'd rather not have over like 25 points of risk on there. Guys, there's lots of fake accounts of me on all the social platforms. TikTok, Instagram, please just ignore them. I will never message you first. I won't send you a friend request. I won't follow you. I love you all. I'm very thankful you're here, but for your safety, the only place that I answer DMs is on Instagram. Jdun Trades. Yep, didn't quite give me the pull up I wanted. I would have tried it at 210, 215.
That wick on that previous candle, a lot of times it'll come back up and
Yep, retest midway into the wick. Yep.
yeah.
We sweep low. The only account that is me is right here, telling you not to listen to any other account. I will not message you. The only place I answer DMs is on my verified Instagram, Jdun Trades. I don't have a backup account. I don't have a fan account. These accounts will message you and be like, hey, I'm messaging from here to get back to my fans. Bro, that's not me.
Candles are wild, man. There'll be green delta this flip to like 2,200 negative delta. Like it's nothing. Be careful taking a trade in this area, everyone.
Free falling. Anything you're watching, Grizzly?
No, it's not giving enough pullback for me. We are currently in hourly demand, though, for sure.
Yep, when you're trading with Apex, the firm that's 90% off right now, they do have 30% consistency, so you got to be careful about that.
25,118.
Speaking of which, 90% off ends tomorrow. You guys can use code JDUN. My favorite accounts are the 50Ks. And your all-in cost, the evals are only $19 right now. Literally $19.60 using code JDUN. And if you pass, the activation fee is $65. So your all-in cost is $84.
We have another fast speaker coming on at 10:30, so like 15, 16 minutes, another one start.
See if we can get a little more pop up to like 210. I don't like that we're holding this low. We can also watch for, let's see what this trend line looks like. What this trend looks like. We also technically could, technically speaking, could break above this strong and make our way back up. I like watching the S&P and the NASDAQ together. That's why I have that up here. I have lots more screens up too. Just two main charts on the screen share. Just put the keys in. This looks like it wants to go lower. And it did go lower. We never really got a full pullback. Like even on this candle right here, I was watching for this candle to pull up a bit higher because if we would have taken short right here, would have had like 35, 40 points of risk. And that just on a Monday without solid volume is just a little too much risk for me. Sorry, we still have an hour. Still have an hour to potentially find a setup. Still moving down. No sign of pulling back. I will not chase this move down. I know it is boring. The only possible setup that I didn't take due to volume would have been this pre-market low reject right here. I guess arguably could have taken that with stops at like 265. With stops like right here. But besides that, no A+ setups for me. Up 400. I'm up 400. Should I take a trade with you or have DOD? What do you think I'm going to say? You asked that. You know damn well what I'm going to say. Of course, you should choose DOD. If you made your money, keep your money. I mean, I trade fair value gaps. I just don't trade ICT. I've been trading quote-unquote fair value gaps as impulse candles for a long time. As a reminder, we are an hour in, guys. Make sure you guys choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. I've seen more and more students getting payouts and making progress with DOD, the greatest trading system in existence. Honestly, the greatest life system. It's just a life system in general. When you choose DOD, good things happen. We are still moving down. Still moving on down, guys. No real pullbacks. The thing is, I can scalp like Dino. I can sit there and scalp, but it's impossible to give trades live and scalp. People just get destroyed. Like if I were to sit here and be like long, short, short, long, like people would just get massacred. I've made a lot of money scalping. You know, but like in terms of like what we're doing here and building DOD, it's just it's much. People get much better results when we only take A+ high probability slower trades. And I will scalp on my own sometimes. Like I'll sit there and scalp, but it's impossible to sit here and scalp on stream and people are late. They don't enter or exit correctly. And you know, it just doesn't work out well for anybody. Brandon, you're about to learn, my boy. Discipline over dopamine is the greatest trading system and philosophy and liability to these prop firms that they've ever seen. When you choose DOD, you follow your rules. You don't revenge trade. You don't tilt trade. You don't boredom trade. You wait for A+ setups. You define your risk and you move forward with confidence. What's my win rate? Oh my gosh, look at that move down. Continuation. I typically say 70 to 80. Give or take. I mean, it's not guaranteed. Like I could go on. I always say this. I could go on a losing streak tomorrow where I lose the next 10 trades in a row. I'm not immune to that. It hasn't happened ever, but it's possible. And that's why I define my risk on every trade. Like none of us are immune to any sort of losing streak. And once you accept that, and once you tell yourself that and understand it and embrace it, you become a better trader because losses don't affect you like that anymore. I could lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row and I'll still be alive. Might be a bit frustrated, but I'll be fine. Versus a lot of you guys are taking 1 to 2 or 3 losses in a row and you blow your account. That's not sustainable. And quite frankly, it's not enjoyable either. Trading is much more enjoyable when you manage your risk and the losses don't ruin your mood anymore. When I was trading and my P&L dictated my daily mood, it's a very, you're basically living life on a roller coaster. Because on the good days, you're really happy and you're really euphoric, right? The problem that a lot of people have with using P&L to dictate their mood is, like when the good days, it's great and you're feeling amazing and everything's amazing. And then you have a bad day and you're like, well, today sucks. Life just becomes a roller coaster and you don't want to live like that.
Looking for a short entry here, everyone. If we push up a little higher. Higher. I want to go closer to 25, 190 area. Possibly. We'll see. I'll let you know if I take it. 3 to 5 M and Q. And it's not in the way. It's not going to pull back enough.
Literally no deep pullbacks, bro. That's what I'm waiting for too. J Bum Fake Trades. Well, good morning to you too, my boy. Can you get payouts on Apex by trailing with your stop loss? You can get payouts on Apex in any way that you can follow the rules and meet the criteria. Market isn't bad today. A lot of people found good setups today. It just wasn't not my type of setup day. Arguably looking back, when I always look back and see what I could have done better, or, just like I like to take notes in the day, and I could have arguably tried this pre-market low retest right around here. Just didn't. Now we're not getting any deep enough pullbacks for shorts for me, so. They have still no deep enough pullbacks for me, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that, bro.
Push right up the previous day point of control.
Just free falling, but no deep pullbacks. Like for example, on this level here, if it would have even at top ticking this, let's say top ticking 172, your stop would have been above like pre-market low at 230, which is just far too much risk. There's only 2 lays. And now is in terms of next price targets, we don't really, whoops. Let's see here. Previous day low is 1. We're already below it.
This came up here has some volume. When it just closed, it was good volume.
Let's see if we get to 1, maybe like what's previous day low? 120. Arguably, I mean, we could look for a move to previous day low if we want to catch this trend. If it's not going to give us a pullback, then keep stops above the trend setting candle high. Like 120 to 140 with stops above like 170. But like I won't chase this to the downside. What I will do sometimes on a trend setting candle like we see here is I'll mark out the 50% retracement of it. And if it aligns with another key level, I'll look for an entry around that 50% retracement of the candle. But I won't chase down here. We too late, you'll be trapped here. Jdun missed out on a bag for everyone. Damn, all you had to do is short. It's easy to say that after the fact, for sure. If you took my short Friday, though, you may take 150 points. So, yeah, you got to think, guys. I don't think in terms of days. I don't care if I miss an 1,000-point move today because why? Why don't I care if I miss an 1,000-point move? Because we're going to see more systematic setups in the future. Thinking in terms of days. When you only think in terms of days, like, oh, today I missed this, my life's over. Well, it's going to cause you to likely chase and overtrade and take trades out of system. Versus if you understand that we're going to have more massive downside days, upside days, and days like we had Friday, right? Trading becomes much more enjoyable because you don't have FOMO. Done. I look at Friday, I'm like, made $4,300 on Friday. We're chilling today. No pullback, no retracements, none. This retracement's just hiding. I think it's must be Groundhog Day. It's retracement day. The retracement didn't come out of its hole. Well, I guess this arguably could have been the retracement, this pre-market low right here. This wasn't quite deep enough. How's your morning going, Gene? No trades for you? Don't. Do we get a retracement here? It's only been an hour so far. That's crazy. Feels like it's been longer. The only problem with taking a short up here at the 50% retracement is that this reversal doji here is higher volume. That's a horrible circle. Top trader in Colorado. Hey, enjoy the roids though, bro. Make sure you take care of the peanuts. Some dude came in talking shit, so I told him to take care of the pistachios with his roids. What you need for me? I like to give a little love here and there. All right. Well, I'm still here. What are you watching?
Well, I was going to call it a day. I didn't think we was going to bounce, but right here in this area is what I was watching.
I'm watching up to like 140.
Like right here.
120 to 140.
I'm not in. I'm just talking to everyone. I'm not convinced I'll take another trade. Not for sure.
Need for me done. Oh, tree, don't.
Yeah.
What's the higher? 175.
I think I'm just going to call it in the morning. I guess I'm telling what's going to do with this Fed speaker.
Come on, a little higher. I want to see like 140.
I'm going to be looking for some options to sell later on today. If I see anything, Team Bull, I'll let you all know. So we need an option selling channel with Team Bull. Apart from the swing trade.
Still watching, y'all. Still just staying patient watching. Oh, whoops. 130. If we get higher volume on here, definitely not gonna. What you need for me down. We got to 140 almost. No trades for me yet, guys. What you need for me down. Leaving for the night like it is golden. Got me charging. Still watching. Stars. These after hours got me.
I like shorts, sir. I'm watching. Like, as soon as I walk away, the move I'm looking for is going to play out. See how we had that volume on the last candle, though. Quite a bit of volume. I'm going to try some shorts with a stop loss top this candle. I'm in Q. 137 stop loss.
Trying to piece shorts with you too.
You know, sell off here.
Tried some shorts up there, guys. Small piece. Small piece up here. With stops at 138.
There we go. I'm trimming. Moving stop to entry.
I want to see move below 80.
Rip down.
This golden grizzly trend. I'd like to see move below 80. An aggressive push below 80.
Got my entry.
Don't.
Got my entry. Got me out of the trade.
I still have my small piece. I'm gonna keep my stops the same at 138.
Well, whenever I called my entry, it like had a massive push down as soon as I said it.
Don't. We went from like 105 down to 80, but just have a small piece, so I'm gonna keep it. And if I get stopped out, then I'll be 0 for 1 in the day. I don't hate the entry up here either. With stops above like 173. If you haven't entered yet. Just wanna dance. I could have trimmed down there at 80, but wanted to see more personally. Honestly, kind of looks like it wants to push up now. 3 higher lows here. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this early, guys. Stopped it early. I don't love what I'm seeing. If we fail this candle higher or to go higher, then I'll look for re-entry. But I don't love what I'm seeing with 3 higher lows here. Don't love what I'm seeing with 3 higher lows. So if we fail this candle or show weakness here, I'll look for a re-entry. But I did stop this early. I also don't like what I've seen with that volume. One more try. I like what we're seeing here. I want to see a flush below 80. Come on, push it down. Push it down. Come on, push it down a little further. We got to push down below 80. Now hold that push. I'm going to keep my stops at 120. Come on, push us down. Come on, push it down. Not up, not up, not up. Got about a 23-point stop on this. I wanted to see us push below 77. So if we get a solid push below 80, I'll train. If not, I'm just going to be done for the day. Just going to be done for the day if we don't see what I want to see here. Mother effer. Down almost 7 hundo. Damn, Grizzly, they really did me dirty there. Had 2 chances to take like 15, 20 points, but I literally hate Mondays, bro. I just can't trade on Mondays. My trading abilities just go in the sewer on Mondays. Mondays only. Every other day is great. One, like what, 14-point loss and one 23-point loss? Little under 40 points of loss. No, market makers aren't playing with me. Just try to do 2 lower highs. I still don't hate that idea of like a 140 to 150 area reject, but I think I'm going to be done for the day. I think we're going to be done for the... I'm not going to get off, but I'll be done trading for the morning. Never came true. Guys, when I tell you to stop, I follow my plan. I don't just hold for hope. I always follow my plan. When I tell you 120 stop, I stop at 120. If I tell you 100 stop, I stop at 100. Always. That's what keeps me in the game long term. You gotta follow your plan. Why is it making me... There we go. Yep, gotta choose DOD. I still think if we're going to find a lower high, it's in this area. Should know by now. Just Mondays are not my day. Mondays are not my favorite day. Let's see if we break out to the upside now. This is the last area I see for reject, but I will not be trying it. I am gonna likely wave the white flag to the market today. There we go. And now we're ripping. See, that's why we kept that stop loss, and we don't hold for hope. Because when you hold for hope, you get caught in massive upside or downside moves like this, and that becomes a problem. Let's see if we get a... See if we get a break a trend here. See, this is a candle that I would not short. I could personally look for like a higher low now, or look for a short as we get higher. I personally, how I trade, would never short right here after an aggressive candle like that. I'm not going long, no. I got 30 more minutes. I promised myself I'd stay on the live stream, so... I don't do much. Where was that energy on Friday when I caught 150 points? Why do the haters only come out of the woodworks when I lose money? Where's the love when I make y'all money almost every day? Where's that love? Where's that love, baby? They want me to fall. Unfortunately, they're going to be waiting for a long time. You can't fall. Well, you can't fall fast when you have DOD. You can fall, but you get back up pretty quick. It's a sick game. They love to see you lose. They do. So what about Friday? Where was the love Friday? Where was Jdun? You're the greatest trader ever. Catch you 150 points Friday or winning every day last week. Literally no red days. Where's that? We had red trades. Where's that energy at? I don't care if I miss a move on one day. I literally could not care less. I could miss every 100-point trade this week, or 100-point move. It doesn't matter on a day-to-day basis. That's what I want you guys to understand. Like, I will never understand the thinking. People that are like, oh, how could you miss a move down today? Bro, I don't give a fudge about a move down today. Or a move up today. I care about long term. You know, that's what I give a crap about. Keep my language PG. It's all right. We'll see what else they give us today. We got 30 more minutes. People will learn. They'll learn slowly. They'll get there. Yeah. Oh. See if this rolls the contracts. No. That is what we do. We live for a living, baby. That is exactly it. What do you do for a living? We live for a living. That's what. We live for a living, baby. Come on now. First trader I followed. Dude is the GOAT. His masterclass is the reason I'm up $400. Let's go. And guess what I have for y'all too? Guess what else I have for y'all? Hold on. Let's see here. All right, let's see what if they give us anything else today. Big Vince Carter. Big Vince Carter. I got one more in me. The Green Goblin is screaming shorts in my ear, right? In your eyes. All right, moment of truth here, guys. We either curl this, make this a higher low, or get some aggressive selling, lower high here, and then move down further. We'll see. Moment of truth's coming up. We got something exciting for y'all. You ready? I told you guys I was giving you something exciting today. You know what I'm going to do for y'all? On December 29th and 30th, as I promised you guys, I'm hosting a free, 100% free masterclass, DOD, the path to profitability in 2026. I just put the link out in the YouTube. So if you guys are looking to have a more profitable 2026, it is $0 and 0 cents. Go get yourself signed up right now for the free masterclass to end the year. I want you guys going into January 1st, ready to rock and roll, baby. I just put the link in the YouTube chat. I will put it in the description as well. DOD, the path to profitability, our free masterclass to end the year. To end the year, baby. Path to profitability, baby. Path to profitability in 2026. If you guys are looking to change your trading and have a different outcome next year than you had this year, this is your chance. Get yourself registered. It's 100% free. I'm curious, chat. Type in the chat if you've been to a Jdun masterclass before. Was your time well spent? Yes or no? Let me know in chat if you guys have been to a Jdun free masterclass. How is your time spent? Is it worth it or not? Masterclass, well worth it. Yes, absolutely. Let's go. I will put the link in my I'll put the link in my TikTok bio as well. Oh, I'm going all in on this for y'all. Masterclass is well worth it. Let's go. Watch me fall apart. Watch it fall apart. Am I all in on shorts? No. So correction, I'm not down 700. I'm actually down 860 to be exact. $860 to be exact right now. To losing trades on the live account, not funded. Live account down 860. So not even $1,000. I think we'll survive. We made 4,300 Friday. I try to keep my worst case scenario on any given day as I lose like 2K. I try to keep my max loss around $2,000 in the live. I hope nice, Derek up 1,500. I hope each and every one of you guys made money. That's the thing is I don't get jealous or compete. If literally every person watching this made money and I lost money, I'd still be happy for y'all. Comparison is the thief of joy in this industry. There's too much ego and P&L stroking. You know? And bro didn't like my masterclass, but he's here watching the live. Well, you are one of, I don't know, like 500 people in the live that didn't like it, but I'm sorry you didn't. Up 2,200. Let's go. Get yourself signed up for the free masterclass. It's in 14 days. If you guys are looking to have a better 2026, to learn what DOD means, to learn my exact system, and to go into 2026 with a plan on January 1st, get yourself signed up for the free masterclass. The link is right here in chat. Yep, brand new masterclass, 2 days. 2-day masterclass, the 29th and 30th. 2-day masterclass, baby. We're going back to back. How many of y'all signed up? How many of y'all are ready to change your life trading in 2026? How many of y'all are ready to make more money and have more discipline and have more patience in 2026? The signups in the YouTube. Everybody, if you're on TikTok, signups in the YouTube. Let's go, baby. Don't. Got a lot of exciting stuff planned for Team Bowl in 2026 too. A lot of exciting stuff. Oh, now we're just going to chop and be slow, huh? Don't be slow for us. Let's see, 156, 190. Not even close enough to try a short on that pop up. Skiing was great this weekend. It's incredible. I want to go back. We need more snow though, man. I mean, the runs are okay. They just can't open a lot of them because there's not any snow. Hasn't been snowing. Where's all the snow? Even like looking at the forecast. Let's see. Vale's supposed to get a little snow on Wednesday and then some more on Sunday. That's good. We need more snow. Where were you riding this weekend? Vale again? Yeah, we went to Vale, Beaver Creek. Vale and Beaver Creek. YouTube, I put the link. My prop code is Jdun. I appreciate y'all using it, getting funded, and doing my best to help you guys get paid. Whether it's keeping your losses smaller or helping you have big wins. Must be too much cows farting. It was a little windy, not too bad. Wasn't horrible. It was warm. If you didn't see me, if you didn't see my story, I was what's it called? Skiing in my tank top. I didn't plan on doing that, but I was sitting down there, took my stuff off, and I was like, I'll do one more. Like Vince Carter, I got one more in me. Oh, we made that higher low at the previous 50% retracement of that candle. Now we're moving up. Don't. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I forgot to update the TikTok screen. Gotta let him know. Forgot to update that TikTok screen. I put 0 for 2 on the day. Sad face. Mondays. I blame Mondays. I tip my usual Monday red. Just my usual Monday red. Just my usual Monday red. That's how it goes, right? Every time I say Monday's going to be my new best profitable day, it just doesn't work out. Market's like, oh, you sure about that? It's all right. We keep it small. Now we're still, look at that, still moving on up. Looks like we're going to break that 200 and next price target, not price target, but next area of interest would be like 230. Julian Yada, man. We will lift the Monday curse soon. Yes, my free masterclass is 6,000. That's exactly it. Make sure you guys register for the $0.00 masterclass, guys. DOD, the path to profitability. My 2-day free masterclass is December 29th and 30th. If you're looking for a brand new mindset and a new path to profitability for 2026, you guys got to get registered. You guys saw what everyone said earlier. My weekend was great. My weekend was incredible. Guys, the free masterclass is $0.00. $0.00. If you guys want to get registered, the link's on my YouTube live. Jdun Trades. December 29th and 30th. It's in 2 weeks. So you guys have plenty of time. It's free, 100% free. And if you ask around, I will say this one more time. If you've been to a free masterclass of mine, what was your experience? Did you get value from it or did you not get value from it? If you got value from it, type yes. If it was worth your time, I know that your time is valuable, type yes. Basharat said yes. B-Dub Trade said so much value. Yes. Daniel said yes. Jalen said yes. I don't want to waste time. Waste time because you're the next Drew Barry. Oh, all right, guys. I got 2 minutes and then I got a meeting I got to get on. Signed up. Let's go. Woo! Yep. My masterclass is free $1 million in free cents. And if you guys can't get on YouTube, if you want or you can't figure it out, you can DM me on Instagram right now. It's Jdun Trade. Send me a DM that says you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free masterclass. It's Jdun Trades on Instagram. If you DM me, I will personally send you the link. Jdun Trades on Instagram. You can go search that up. Send me a DM that says you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free masterclass at the end of the year. All right, y'all. I'm going to mob off for the day. Sorry, I couldn't catch y'all a banger today. It's Monday, so I blame the day. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys. And I'll have the Team Bull schedule out today as well. See you guys later. Have a great rest of your day, Team Bull. God bless. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Adios, everybody. Remember to DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free masterclass. JDUN Trades. Peace.